Hey guys, welcome back to PPC 101. My name is Luka, I'm part of the communication team, and today I will talk about Brandmetrix. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your questions in the comment section below. So let's start. Brandmetrix will help you make informed decisions when optimizing your sponsored brands campaigns. Once your campaigns have been live for at least 2 weeks, use these metrics to identify which campaigns have the highest percentage of new-to-brand orders. Then take a close look at these campaigns. Do you see any patterns in the headlines or creative? If so, double down on your efforts. We recommend increasing your bids and budgets, as acquiring new customers may be more expensive. Within a campaign, identify your keywords that have the highest percentage of new-to-brand sales. Then use these keywords in new campaigns targeted at driving new customers. Do you want to reach and engage existing customers? Look at campaigns with the lowest percentage of new-to-brand orders or sales. You might want to focus on promoting these ads to shoppers already familiar with your brand. Brandmetrix is a new measurement solution offering brands actionable upper and mid-funnel measurement built with predictive and causal links to purchase. Where is this feature available? Well, in North America, it's available in the United States and Canada. In Europe, it's Germany, Spain, France, Italy, and United Kingdom. And in Asia, it's available in Japan. And who can use it? Well, eligible vendors and eligible seller brand owners. You can find this option in the advertising console. Brand metrics are quantifiable variables that you measure to track your brand's performance. Without them, you would have no idea of the impact your marketing strategy is having on your business and your brand health. I hope this video helped you learn something new about Brandmetrix on Amazon. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more similar content. Leave your questions in the comment section below and follow us on all social media so you never miss any news from Sellers Alley.